Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the iZEEKER Wild Trail Cam. It's a 4K 30 frames camera system with 48 megapixel HD wildlife camera with motion detection, night vision and 0.1 second trigger time. It's Wildcamera system, which is IP66 waterproof for wildlife surveillance, hunting, trail cam, what you like, with 32GB SD card included and 4 AA batteries. You can attach additional 4 AA batteries into it, so you can double the runtime of this iZEEKER trail cam. This is our virtual eye capturing wildlife world, IG400. With big, nice footage. That means with Ultra HD 4K, 30 frames, video and good audio. The iZEEKER trail cam can capture more vivid details and get smoother videos. At the same time, it can take 48 megapixel ultra clear photos with 850 nm infrared LEDs. It can capture wonderful moments no matter day or night. And when the PIR sensor detects motion, the wildlife cam IG400 triggers instantly within 0.1 second. And the PIR interval can be set to the shortest 2 seconds. So we won't miss any more exercise and exciting moments. The lens of the Wildcam is on the same side as the 2-feet LCD screen. That's good. This makes it easier to adjust the angle of the lens. The one-piece construction is IP66 waterproof and of course dustproof. The cover can be opened to wipe the water mist off the lens. This making it ideal for use on rainy days. This is ideal outdoor wildlife monitoring. The trail cam's keypad lights up during the setup process for easier operation in low light conditions. There are only 2 shift modes, and the setting interface is simple and intuitive, this making it easy to operate. Easily insert and remove a full-size SD card. The inserted sideway to avoid loss. Suitable for users who are new to hunting cameras, for example. The trail cam package included a 32GB SD card and 4 batteries to get ours started right away. We set up and run on 4 batteries. It supports SD cards up to 128GB, which is sold separately. It also has a variety of functions: loop recording, timer settings, time-lapse, temperature setting, watermarks, password protection, video duration can be set to 5 minutes, and so on and so on. If we're going to use the switch, there's only one switch with on or off. Off means it turned off the cam. The camera is completely off. Only in off mode it should as unplug the memory card or replace the batteries. On mode we adjust setting and start the operation. When switched from off to on, the screen display will be go into the previous mode. We can manually record videos. We take photos, playback the records, files, or change settings. In the preview mode, the PIR sensor is on. When they are triggered, light indicator will flash, but the camera will not take a photo or record video automatically. If there is no operation, it will automatically get into working mode. There will be have a delay time, and the screen will count down to 15, and then it will be blank. The button operation will be disabled, but the camera will start operating. When detecting animals or other moving objects, the camera will take photos or record videos when the PIR sensor is triggered. Then it returns to standby. The menu button. That means we can use it to go to the menu, return to the previous page, the mode button. We change the previous mode, photo mode, video mode, playback mode. Up and down button to move upward and backward, or down and up, forward or backward. Okay, confirm execution. The screen. After we place the mode switch to on position, the camera screen goes into the previous mode. The default setting is photo mode. The camera can be switched to video mode by pressing the mode button once. The screen displays then what you set up before. There is an ambient temperature icon. This is really cool because this gives us the information about the temperature. Wow. But we get started now. It's battery powered. We can use 4 AA batteries. These are sufficient for powering the cam. 8 AA batteries will lengthen the battery life considerably. We recommend, of course, a high-quality AA alkaline batteries for better camera performance. We do not mix new and old batteries. We do not mix different brands of batteries. And when the battery power is lower than 30%, the camera will stop or reduce the night shooting. And it will stop shooting when the power is exhausted. Of course, we can optionally use an external power supply, because this camera can be powered by an external DC power supply adapter, which is not included. A DC adapter with 6 volt to ampere, 3.5mm external and a 1.35mm internal diameter. We plug the output end of the external power supply into the DC input, jobs done. We do not remove the internal batteries when we're using an external power source. After adjusting the settings in on mode, we need to close the camera case and plug in the external power cable. Because of this, the camera will be automatically switched to be powered by the internal power supply. So let the batteries in place. Of course, then we have to insert a SD card. We insert a class 10 or higher class SD card up to 128 GB. U3 recommended. Then we can make awesome things with that. We turn on the camera, we can go to previous mode, or we can make a test shot, we can make an automatic shooting, and we can start. The monitor delays 30 seconds, 1 minute, 3 minutes, or default 30 seconds. We can switch between the mode, photo, and video, or default is photo. The photo resolution are possible 3 megapixel, 5 megapixel, 7, 8, 10, 12, 16, 20, 24, 30, 48 megapixel. Default is 5 megapixel. We set the size of the picture which are going to take the cam. Then we can choose photo series if we like. And we can choose the video resolution, 4K, 2.7K, 1080p, 720p, and VGA. Default is 4K, of course. Video recording will consume significantly more power than photo, especially at night with the IR LED will be on. Then we can make a cycle storage, off or on if we like. If we turn on this function, the camera automatically overwrites the first file and stores the latest captured file when our memory card is full. We can choose a PIR interval, 2 seconds up to 60 minutes. The PIR sensitivity, high, normal, low, or the IR brightness, economics, normal, or high. Then we can make a target recording time. Time 1 start end, time 2 start end, as we like. And we can choose time-lapse on or off. And if we choose time-lapse, we can choose between 30 seconds and 12 hours. Default, it is off. Of course, we can change the language, a time format, 12 hours or 24-hour system, a system time, temperature unit between Celsius and Fahrenheit. We can turn on and off the beep sounds. We can mount the camera by using the belt, which is included. But I like really much more a tripod to use it. This is really cool because it comes with a tripod stand. You have to buy a separated tripod, of course, but the hub on the bottom side of the cam is a standard way. We can play back files on the LCD screen if we like, or we can transfer it to a computer by using a USB cable. Or we switch to off, and then we remove the SD card, and then we get the SD card into our computer, for example, or a tablet or whatever. And then we have a really nice shooting with a lot of cool stuff, which is right at the night and the daytime in our pasture or garden or where you are going to shoot. Maybe in the nature. That's a really cool thing. This is the iZEEKER Wildlife Cam. It's a trail cam IG400. This is our virtual eye capturing wildlife world. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.